So 2026 is coming, and I feel like this is the perfect time to do this video on how to manifest everything that you want in your life. First, I'm going to show you. I love vision boards. Now, I made this. It's a little glare, I'm sorry. So I made this, I don't know how long ago. But literally all I did was find images off of Pinterest or even Google, things that I want, and I printed them out and then I framed it. So this is my vision board. Now I have another vision board that is sacred. I don't want to show anyone that one because this has a lot of stuff. I get emotional talking about it because like it's stuff that I really want. So this is not an updated vision board, but it gets the job done. So literally you just put everything that you want and you put it on here. Now that's basically it. Manifesting. So when you want something, let me rephrase. So perfect way is praying. When you pray for something, you can't just pray. You have to work towards it and pray. So it's the same thing with your goals. Same thing. So this is literally everything that I want is on here. Literally, well, not everything. This is majority of everything that I want. Of course, I'm just gonna go through a little bit. And you see on here I have a cap and gown. I graduated. I have 2 degrees now, and I'm working on my doctorate now. It's a flex, baby. It's a flex. I'm saying, but I put that on there. I put 100,000 followers, and then I don't know if you guys can see, I put my YouTube handle on here. You probably can't see. I probably should post what I printed out. It'd probably be easier. But literally everything. I put traveling. You know I love to travel. I put vlogging. I put my vlogging camera. I have this exact same camera and the lighting. So basically you just put everything. I put marriage on here, of course. It's a lot. But let's talk about tips on how to manifest everything that you want. And the first step is create a vision board. Create your own vision board. You don't have to print it out, but I feel like I like to print it out because I can see it literally every day. Now this is over my bed in my room. Right now this is everything. My studio, my office, and everything. But above my bed is this. I just took it out. Is this. And my other vision board that I keep to myself. So this is the first thing to manifesting everything that you want, is creating literally a vision board. Everything that you want in life. Think about things in the next 10 to 5 years. Also present. You know what I mean? Like think about it and visualize that you already have it. Okay, boom. So this is step 1. Now, when you're manifesting, you cannot be vague. So instead of saying I want to be successful, I want to earn X amount of dollars in X amount of years, and this is how I'm going to do it. Do not be vague. Be exact. Understand the core principle. So there's 3 components in manifestation. Focus. What do you think about consistently? The second one is emotion. What do you emotionally reinforce? And the third one is behavior. What do you repeatedly do? So your brain filters reality based on what you believe in. So basically your habits shapes your outcome. So essentially no action, no manifestation. So the third tip is to align your identity with your goals. You don't get what you want, you get what you believe you are. So ask yourself, who do I need to become for this to be normal? For example, if you want to be wealthy, you need to be disciplined, patient, value creating. Or if you want to have a healthy body, you have to work towards it. Start acting like that person today in small ways. My final tip is to visualize yourself in that position. Just picture the reward. Really visualize you in that position. Basically, those are my tips on how to manifest everything that you want in life. Just be detailed. Write down everything that you want. Also find pictures and create you a collage. You can do a vision board and work towards it. Like I said, you can't just pray for something. You have to work towards it and pray. So that's it.